Hey gang, so here are the answers to journal pages 312 and 313 that you should have done for today. Now I did 1, 2, and 3 with you, so you can just go ahead and check your work. I'm not going to go over them since I already did in the video yesterday. So if you feel like I'm going too fast, just pause the video and check your work and let me know if you have any questions. So there's number 1. There's number 2. That's how many per hour. And number 3, 16 times in 2 minutes. Okay, number 4, you had to figure out the price per pound. So this is the information they get you. So you want to take the price and divide it by 3 pounds. And you would get 60 cents. Now it says dollars, but we don't have a full dollar. So there's your unit rate, 60 cents for 1 pound or 1 pound for 60 cents. So 2 pounds would be $1.20. 3 pounds, 4 pounds, you'd do 4 times 60 cents or 240. 5 times 60 would be $3. So basically you're either multiplying 60 cents times how many pounds or just adding 60 cents on each time. So here you'd get 360. Sorry, it's messy, but I'm just trying to go fast. 420. Ah, sorry. And 48, 480. Sorry. This should be $4.20. This should be $4.80. Messy, sorry. Okay, so at that rate, 5 pounds would be $3. Okay, next ones. I've already done the next ones just because of time. So number 5. We were given $15 for 6 yards. So if you divide $15 by 6, you get $2.50 a yard. Take that times 2, you get $5. Times 3, you get $7.50, so on. Or you're counting by $2.50 every time. Okay, so up to 8. Now, this was a little tricky. We want to know how much it's going to cost for 7.5. Well, they give us 7 and they give us 8. So we need to know what's halfway between $7, $17.50 and $20. Well, one way is to find the difference of these two, which is $2.50. Cut that in half. 250 divided by 2 or cut in half is $1.25. So then take $17.50 plus $1.25 and you get $18.75. So that's exactly halfway, 7.5 yards. Okay, Eldon bought 3/4 of a pound of cheese for $6. Well, I know 3/4 is $6. So 1/4 would be a third of 6. So up here I took $6 and divided it by 3 equal parts. And I got 2. So 1/4 of 3/4 is a third of it. So a third of 6 is 2. So 1/4 is 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is, I'm sorry, adding $2 every time. So there's the rest of the table. And then 1 1/4 would be $10. Now this was a fun one. Okay, this happens every holiday. If you're going to make a ham or a turkey or some big type of food. So the Jefferson family plans to sit down and eat Thanksgiving dinner at 6 o'clock p.m. They have an 18-pound turkey, and the turkey needs to cook for 20 minutes per pound. So you can just use this space in here. I have 18 pounds, and each pound needs to cook for 20 minutes. So I'm going to take 18 times 20, and that would get 360 minutes. Okay, now there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So then I'm going to take 360 minutes and I'm going to divide that by 60 minutes per hour. And I would get 6 hours. So a little converting there. Or you can think, okay, 60 minutes is 1 hour, 2 hours would be another 60, which is 120. 3 hours is 180. You can add on 60 minutes until you get to 360. So keep adding on, and if you did it that strategy, you should have 6 hours to equal 360 minutes. So I have 6 hours to bake the turkey. Well, I want it done by 6 o'clock in the evening, p.m. So a couple different ways. You could take 6 p.m. and subtract 6 hours. Well, 6 p.m. minus an hour would be 5 p.m., 4 p.m., 3 p.m., 2 p.m., 1 p.m., 12 p.m., or noon. So you want to put that turkey in at 12 o'clock p.m., also noon, in order for it to be cooked just right. And this happens often. If you cook it too less, it's going to be undercooked and you get sick. If you cook it too much, it's going to be dry and crunchy and not very good. So your moms, dads, grandmas, grandpas, aunts, uncles, this is what they do every time there's a big group to feed. So your answer is at what time? 12 o'clock. Okay, those are the answers for that assignment.